In this guide, we're going over how you can find the bunny NPC here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now this process really is simple. First things first, teleport over to Easter Island using any of the teleporters in the map. And then from here, once you do arrive onto Easter Island, and let me just farm these guys one more time real quick. What you need to go ahead and do is just follow the path that I'm following right now. If you just head straight this way, and instead of turning like left right here, continue down this path, you'll notice the bunny NPC all the way down here. It's kind of near the main event area. Like if you're where like these little Easter upgrades are right here, you could just go above this hill and you'll see the Easter bunny NPC right here. Simply go ahead and talk to this Easter bunny NPC right here, and then of course that'll start the quest that allows you to look for all 7 hidden eggs. You can also use this area for farming eggs itself, which is a part of the quest on this island specifically. It's low-key kind of an annoying quest if we're being honest, just because these guys don't really drop too much. But that is it. If you don't see it right away, just check around the main paths on the island and you should see it. But that is it. Go to Easter Island, head over to the right side, and you'll find that bunny NPC. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.